Yeah.
You said,
Huh?
you just said you saw very few fights.
Fights
Yeah.
between the men.
They got along fairly well.
Yeah, unless they was drunk or something, then they'd fall down before they get hit, you know. They go like this and plop. You can't help that.
No.
So, yeah. And Sundays, we didn't have too many of them, because like I say, we was there, what, 3 weeks? 2 weeks? 3 weeks.
This is at Hickham Field.
Huh?
Hickham Field.
Yeah.
You were there
Yeah.
only 3 weeks.
3 weeks, that's all. And after that, when I first got there, the first couple of days, they marched me in the office. And this was terrible. I was sitting there, and I said to this one guy, what am I going to do? He says, well, you're gonna be accepting all the injured and dead airmen.
Hmm.
And I said, oh, shoot, you know. But they'd come over that teletype and type, and they'd give it to me, and I'd have to sort it. And it was awful. God. On 25 aircraft take off on a mission, well, maybe 13, 14 come back.
Wow.
That's a poor average.
Yeah.
And they're either landed on the island where the Japs would shoot them and kill them anyhow, or in the water, someplace in the water. That's why any flight en route to, say, this island, this is your airfield, and you're flying this way, but you're going a few 100 miles to bomb, you know, and you come back. Well, they have submarines, and the Navy is aware of that route, and they'll fly that back and forth to pick anybody up, and they do.
Hmm.
That PBY-2 that has that twin engine on top of the wings, that's, you ought to be familiar with that.
No.
Yeah, the fuselage is pontoon. It's the pontoon.
And was its purpose to rescue
Yeah,
guys that
right.
in the water?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
And because a lady at my church husband flew one of them, and I told her, I says, yeah, I know what you're talking about. She says, you do? I says, yeah. So we wanted an engine, and we couldn't get it right now. The Navy had them, and it was mounted on that PBY-2. But it was always supportive, though. You know, if we needed that engine now, we'd get it from the Navy, and when the one we ordered come in, we'd give it to them. This way there was no bickering. It was all done in a proper way. Nobody was mad.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. I found out a lot of things about people. When you met somebody that talked goofy, you know, way out in left field, you cut it real short. Your conversation didn't go too far. Because you'd have him doing the impossibles. The only guys I know do that are in the funny paper.
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah, the Spider-Man and Superman and them guys. But to do it yourself, no. No. Yeah, that's. Is it? I mean, there's a lot of things that